Hello student, I am Uttam Pandey. In my previous video, we have learned about some terms of concentration of solution, in which we missed some terms. Which in this video we will talk about these terms, which are ppm concentration, normality, and formality. Now we will take first, that is ppm concentration. Number of particles dissolved in 10 lakhs in 10 lakhs, that is 1 million particles of solution, is known as concentration of solution in ppm. That is how many particle of solute is dissolved or is present in 10 lakhs particle of solution is known as concentration of ppm, concentration in ppm of solution. Concentration of ppm is formalized as concentration in ppm is equal to number of number of solute particle divided by number of solution particle into 10 to power 6. Now we take an example on this basis. If total 50 lakhs students are there in class 12 CBSE and 120 students are of JDPS out of these 50 lakhs, then the concentration of JDPS students in ppm will be total number of JDPS students divided by total number of total students of CBSE into 10 to power 6. Just like as total number of solid particle divided by total number of solution particle into 10 power 6. So it comes 24 ppm. Now we can solve it by unitary method. If 50 lakh CBSE students have JDPS students is equal to 120, then 1 lakh CBSE students have JDPS students is equal to 20 by 50. So 10 lakh CBSE students have JDPS students is equal to 120 by 50 into 10 power 6. These values comes 24 ppm. So dear students, ppm concentration of a solution is depend on the number of particle of solution and solute. Now we will move on next topic, which is normality. Now, as we discuss in molarity, number of mole of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution, in normality we will discuss number of gram equivalent weight. That is number of gram equivalent weight dissolved, number of gram equivalent weight of solute dissolved in number of gram equivalent weight of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is known as normality of solution. Normality of solution, formula of normality is given as normality is equal to number of gram equivalent weight of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Since number of gram equivalent weight equal to given mass by equivalent weight, so normality n is equal to given mass of solute divided by equivalent mass of solute whole divided by volume of solution. That is n is equal to m by E into V. Here capital E is stand for equivalent mass. Since we know that equivalent weight is equal to molecular mass by valency, or in this formula, valency may be replaced by number of electrons loss or gain in redox reactions and number of basicity or acidity for acid and bases. This topic we have studied in class 11th, equivalent weight. Okay. So the normality of now putting the value of equivalent weight, normality of solution become as normality is equal to given mass of solute by into valency. Here valency, in place of valency we will use acidity for base and basicity for acid, and number of loss or gain electron for redox reactions. Divide by molecular mass of solute into volume of solution. For example, if 49 gram of H2SO4 is dissolved in 500 ml of solution, then find the normality. Now we will solve it. Dear student, since given mass of H2SO4 is equal to 49 and molecular mass of H2SO4 is equal to 98 and H2SO4 have 2H plus, that is its basicity is equal to 2. So equivalent weight of H2SO4 is equal to 98 by 2, that is 49. So normality is equal to mass of solute divided by equivalent weight of solute into volume of solution in liter. If we place volume of solution in ml, then we will have to multiply by 1000 in numerator. So normality is equal to mass of solute, which is given 49 gram of H2SO4, and we have obtained we have evaluated the equivalent weight of H2SO4 is 49 and the given volume of solution is 500 ml. Note student, here volume of solution is 500 ml, not in liter. So if we take it in liter, then we will have to divide by 1000 in volume or overall by multiply by 1000. 49 to 49 cancelled out, 1000 by 500, this is 2n. That is the normality of solution is 2n. This means 2 gram equivalent weight of H2SO4 is dissolved per liter of solution. Now we will move on for next topic. Dear students, our next topic is formality of solution. Dear student, formality of solution is used for ionic solutes. For ionic solids, the ionic solids are not a compact molecule as like a covalent compound. For example, we will take an example. We will take methane. In methane, carbon is bonded by 4 atoms and of hydrogen. These hydrogen atoms are not bonded any other atom. These are bonded only with carbon. That is the molecule of methane is compact. But when we talk about an ionic substance, in ionic substance, due to attractional property of ions, for example, if we take sodium chloride, one sodium cation is surrounded by six chloride chloride ion, and similarly one chloride ion is surrounded by six sodium plus. So one sodium plus will surrounded by six chlorine minus. These six will surrounded by 36 sodium plus. This 36 will surrounded by 216 chlorine minus. That is, these the ionic substances are of long range type. This topic we will study in solid state of class 12th. So for this we take a formula mass of that substance. So ionic formality of a solution is same as molarity of solution, but in that case we had use molecular mass. Here we will number of moles. Here we will use number of gram formula masses. So formality is defined as number of gram formula masses of ionic solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is known as formality of solution. So formality of solution is equal to number of gram formula mass divided by volume of solution in liter. Since number of gram formula mass is equal to molecular mass by gram formula mass, so formality is equal to given mass of solute divided by gram formula mass of solute into volume of solution in liter. Example, if 58.5 gram of NaCl dissolved in 500 ml of solution, then what will formality of solution? Now solve. Mass of NaCl is equal to 58.5, which is given. Dear student, NaCl is an ionic compound, so we will take its formula unit and formula mass. So formality will be equal to, since formality equal to number of gram formula mass of solute divided by formula mass of gram formula mass of solute into volume of solution. So since given mass is 58.5 and gram formula mass is also 58.5 and volume is 500 ml, since it is ml, so we will have to divide by 1000 in 500 or multiply it by 1000 in overall. So the formality of this solution will be 2. Dear student, we will use some common in our life which is important, that is molar solution. Molar solution, the solution whose molarity is 1. Molar solution, the solution whose similarly normality is normal solution is solution whose normality is 1, and sometimes we use semi, desi and so on. Semi means 1 by 2, that is semi-molar means the solution whose molarity is 1 by 2 mole per liter. Decimolar means 1 by 10. Deci means 1 by 10, that is the solution whose normality whose molarity is 1 by 10 mole per liter. Similarly, we use deci normal, semi normal, semi molar, decimolar and so on.